Hey crew, today's video will be a side Christmas dish. We have our lima beans, cut okra, smoked pigtails, sausage, and our seasoning blend. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our green lima beans video. Okay crew, so we're gonna jump into our lima bean video, and I started out with 6 bottles of water, and that's gonna equal out to a little above 6 cups of water. Then after the water, I went in with smoked pigtails, and y'all don't have to use smoked pigtails, you can use smoked turkey. And once I placed those, I went in with a half a tablespoon of regular salt just to bring out the smokiness flavor of our smoked pigtails. So after you add your salt, you want to bring this to a boil, and you want to allow it to reduce down all the way until it's around about 2 cups of water in your pot. And once you do that, you want to go in with another 2 cups of water. After I added the 2 cups of water, I went in with 1 bag of forward hook lima beans and a half a bag of baby lima beans. I'm going to get the beans a little mixed here, and after that I went in with 2 cups of my frozen seasoned blend. For someone that may not know, this seasoning blend only contains onions, celery, and bell peppers. I'm gonna give this a quick mix, then we're gonna move right along into seasoning our lima beans. Okay, let's season our lima beans up. I only went in with onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. I did a half a tablespoon of each seasoning, as you will see. And I did not go back in with any salt. And the only reason I didn't, because I'm using smoked pigtails. They have a little bit of salt to them. So if you do go in with smoked turkey tails, smoked turkey necks, or smoked turkey wings, you may want to adjust your salt to your desire. I'm just going to give our lima beans a mix to make sure that the season is incorporated really good. So you want your lima beans to come to a boil for like 5 minutes, and once they come to a boil for 5 minutes, you want to put the top on them and turn it down to a low simmer and allow them to cook for additional 25 to 30 minutes. I have been boiling my lima beans for 15 minutes, and now I'm about to go in with some frozen okra. And you can skip this step, you don't necessarily have to go in with the okra, but I just love the extra creaminess that the okra gives the lima beans. I'm gonna mix the okra in, and I'm gonna allow it to come back to a simmer, and then I will go in with my smoked sausage. After you go in with smoked sausage, you're gonna put the top back on it and let them boil for additional 10 to 15 minutes. And your okra and your smoked sausage should be done enough for your lima beans to be ready. If you want to, you can pan sear your smoked sausage to give it that extra flavor. Alright crew, so we have our lima beans with smoked sausage. It doesn't have a pigtail on there, but y'all did see in the video, pigtail are in there. And y'all don't have to use pork, y'all can use turkey. But Queen wanted me to make her some, so I made some. And I'm gonna give y'all that famous close up, then we're gonna let Queen try it. Alright y'all, so we're gonna let Queen try it. And she gonna give y'all her honest opinion.
Alright y'all. Now I never had my husband lima beans. I've had his red beans, but I never had his lima beans since he was eating mine. So I'm gonna see. Because if he put his whole body in it, he gonna be cooking it from now. Let's see. Okay. It's close, y'all. He might have to be making me some lima beans from now on. Okay.
How's the seasoning and everything?
It's seasoned perfect.
So when I taste it, you taste the sweetness of the peas, of the beans.
Oh yeah. And I fried some chicken, so this gonna go perfect with some fried chicken.
And I put that okra in there for the extra creaminess.
But you can't taste the okra, but you can taste the creaminess.
Yep.
That it gives you, but you can't taste that it's okra in it. Oh yeah, it's good, y'all. Look at that. I'm gonna eat this one. All that's missing is some cornbread.
Alright y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment and thumbs up the video. We gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all already know the saying, pops out.
Bye y'all.